Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce Sales Cloud with custom objects, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Sales Cloud to locate the Sales Cloud settings. Click on the Sales Cloud option to access its configuration settings. Next, identify the Custom Objects section within the setup. Click on Objects and Fields in the left sidebar. Select Object Manager to view existing objects. To create a new custom object, click the Create button. Choose Custom Object from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary fields such as object name and label. Define the object's properties, including whether it should be reportable or include activities. Configure the optional features, such as allowing reports or tracking activities. Next, set up the custom fields for your object by selecting the Fields and Relationships tab. Click on the New button to add a custom field. Choose the field type that best fits your data needs, such as text, number, or checkbox. Name the field and set its properties according to your requirements. Repeat this process for any additional fields you wish to add. Once your fields are set up, navigate to the Page Layout section. Create a new page layout by clicking on the New button. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping fields to arrange them as desired. Save your changes to finalize the custom object's layout. Next, set permissions for your custom object by going to the Object Permissions settings. Grant access to the appropriate profiles or permission sets. Return to the Object Manager and locate your newly created object to ensure everything is configured correctly. To further enhance your custom object's functionality, consider creating validation rules. Use the Validation Rules section to define the criteria that must be met for records to be saved. After confirming that all settings are correct, return to the home screen to test your new custom object. Create a new record for your custom object to verify that it works as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.